everyone, welcome to this new video. Today I'll be showing you how to make these cute and chunky hand warmers. Those are perfect even if this is your first crochet project, since they're really beginner friendly and it's just one stitch over and over again, and I'll try and really break down every step I take so you can come along with me even if this is your first time. So be sure to like and subscribe, and I guess let's dive right into it. So to start, as always, we're going to start with a slip knot. To make a slip knot, you're going to lay your yarn over like this. Your longer end is there, and you're going to make an 8 around your thumb and your pointer. It looks like this from above. And you're going to enter your hook there on the inside of your hand, there, and grab this yarn and pull it through. Of course, there are many ways to make a slip knot. This is just the one I use. And then you're going to chain the number you need to reach from there of your hand to there. For me, that should be about 25 to 30 chains, but I work with really thick yarn. As you can see, it's like weight 6 or 7, so you might need a lot of more chains to reach your hand if you work with thinner yarn. So to chain, you're going to hold your hook like this, grab this shorter end and just hold it in place. Then you can either leave this hanging, but it's easier if you just wrap it around your pointer like this, but everyone develops a specific way to hold the yarn with time, so if you're a beginner it might seem forced, but it will come with time. Then you're going to wrap your yarn around your hook like this, turn it slightly, and then pull it through. And that's how you chain. And you're just going to repeat it. And the more chains there are, you won't be holding it there, you just move up gradually as you chain. So that's what the chain looks like. I need to shorten it a bit. You can just adjust it to how you want it to be with the length. And always keep in mind that it will probably turn out a bit wider than it seems right now. So just keep that in mind while measuring your chains. And you will need to remember the amount you chained to make your second hand warmer, so keep that in mind to write that number down. And then you're going to chain 2 more and then turn. So now you're facing not this side, but this side with these little loops. And then you're going to hold your hook like this, wrap your yarn around your hook like if you would chain, but you're not. This is called wrap your yarn over. And there you see the first chain. This is the second, and we're going to work into this third chain. So you have 3 loops, and we're going to work into this one that's standing out a bit. Like this. There are the 2 bottoms and 1 on the top, and you're going to work into that one. You're going to go into this loop with your hook, wrap the yarn, hold it a bit with your finger, and move up. And now you have 3 loops on your hook. You're going to take the yarn again, wrap it around your hook, and go through all 3. and that's half double crochet. And that's just what you're going to repeat until the end of the row. I'm going to show you one more time. You're going to wrap your yarn around the hook, insert your hook into this loop, grab the yarn, pull through 3 loops on your hook, pull through all 3. Again, wrap your yarn around your hook, insert your hook into the loop, grab your yarn, pull through 3 loops on your hook, pull through all 3. And that's just what you're going to repeat until the end of the row. After you finished your first row of half double crochet, this is what it should look like. The important thing are the loops on the top. This is what we're going to work into. So you're going to chain 1, remember how to chain. Turn our work so we're facing this side. And normally we would work into those heads of the stitches, but to create kind of an 3D effect, we're going to work into the back loop. So you're going to start like a normal half double crochet, and instead of going in the loop, you're going to go into this back loop, and this is only 1 loop, and make a half double crochet in there like this. And we're going to repeat that until the end of the row again. You're going to work into this back loop only. So after you finish the second row, it should look a bit like this. Probably if you work with thinner yarn, you will be able to see the 3D effect way more clear than right now, but basically you now have the key to this pattern. You're going to repeat chain 1 and work into the back loop of half double crochet until you can cover, like wrap this around your hand like this. And then I'll meet you again. It's that easy. So after you finished your first panel, it should be able to fit like this, comfortable around your hand. And then instead of cutting off the yarn, you're going to chain 1 and fold your work together. And we're going to stitch it together. I'm going to show you. So you see we have here these 2 loops and here these 2 loops, and we're going to go into the first of the 2 loops of the first side and then in the second of the second side, and pull through and pull through again. This is slip stitch, where you just pull through 1 time without wrapping your yarn around nothing. So into the first loop of the first and the second of the second. It's quite easy once you get the hang of it. And you just continue doing that for a bit until you reach where you want your thumb to be. So I'm going to show you what to do then, but first I need to catch up with you. So this is where I want my thumb to be, and now I'm just going to slip stitch into one side. So we're going to completely ignore this side and just slip stitch into a few of those stitches, like that. And then we're going to continue, and you have a super easy thumb hole. Count the stitches you skipped on this side, and then just continue sewing that together. 4, and then 1, 2, 3, 4. So this is my next stitch I should be working with, just like this, and you're just going to continue until you finish stitching it together. So, this is your first hand warmer. You're going to cut off the yarn and then turn it around. Cut. Like this. And turn it around so what we just stitched together is on the other side. There's our thumb hole, and that's what it looks like. Ta-da! And you're just going to repeat this another time, so you have a second hand warmer, and I'm going to meet you then again. I hope you liked this video. Definitely let me know if you made them, and tag me if you posted them anywhere. I would love to see how you made them, with what yarn, and yeah, just tag me and I'll make sure to like and comment. And I guess I'll see you in the next video. Bye!